Are you feeling drained of energy? Or perhaps your sex drive isn't quite what it used to be? As we age, we often face decreased energy levels and a lower sex drive, and these changes can be frustrating. You see, testosterone plays a key role in maintaining our vitality, our zest for life. It's like the fuel that powers our engine. But as time marches on, our testosterone levels can start to dip. But what if there was a natural solution to these problems? Enter Ultra T Booster, your go-to supplement for optimal testosterone levels and sexual health. This isn't just another product on the shelf. Ultra T Booster is a game changer, designed to enhance your vitality and drive. It's about promoting healthy free testosterone levels, which plays a crucial role in maintaining not just your sexual health, but overall physical fitness too. The power of Ultra T Booster lies in nature itself, with ingredients steeped in centuries of herbal science. Expert herbalists have crafted a blend of these natural elements, each renowned for their ability to address symptoms associated with low testosterone. And the best part? It's all natural. That means no side effects, no downsides. Imagine a supplement that not only fuels your peak performance, but also primes your body for a heightened sense of well-being. That's the Ultra T Booster experience. With Ultra T Booster, you are not just boosting your testosterone levels, you are enhancing your overall well-being. You might be wondering, how does Ultra T Booster work? Well, it's all about the science. Ultra T Booster is the result of extensive research and years of expertise from our team of herbalists. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen for its ability to address symptoms associated with low testosterone levels. Imagine it as a well-tuned orchestra, where every musician plays a vital role. The same goes for the ingredients in Ultra T Booster. They work together to promote healthy free testosterone levels and prime your body to fuel peak performance. And because it's all natural, there are no synthetic substances or harmful chemicals to worry about. This means you can enjoy the benefits of Ultra T Booster without any side effects. But don't just take our word for it. Numerous studies back the effectiveness of our supplement, providing a solid foundation for its promise to restore your youthful energy and enhance your sex drive. So you see, Ultra T Booster is not just a supplement, it's a scientifically backed solution to help you regain your youthful energy and sex drive. Ready to experience the transformative power of Ultra T Booster? It's time to regain control of your life and embrace the vitality you've been missing. Imagine the energy, the confidence, the improved well-being that comes with balanced testosterone levels. Ultra T Booster, an all-natural solution, is here to help you reclaim that youthful vigor. So why wait? Don't wait. Visit the link in the description to learn more or purchase your Ultra T Booster today. Regain your vitality the natural way.